son. We're at the Hoover Dam.
No. We're in Washington. Yeah. We're gonna score now.
Over 40,000 tons of concrete were used in the construction of the Hoover Dam.
Huh.
From top to bottom, the dam is 51 stories.
Something.
It has a maximum capacity for generating 2.074 megawatts of electricity.
Really?
But on the average, it generates about 25% of that.
I'll be damned.
Now, can anybody tell me how much energy it takes to power Las Vegas?
Yeah, I just have a question. Is this a goddamn? Goddamn,
If you'll follow me this way.
This is dumb. Let's go find that chick. Yeah, enough of this crap. Whoa, check it out, Butthead TV. Cool.
I gotta hit the head. Can you get me some coffee? All right.
Damn it. All they have are these shows about water. Yeah, really. They need some shows about fire. What are you doing, Beavis? Something's wrong with my butt. Your butt sucks. Yeah. Hey, how come there's no sound? I'll fix it. Yeah, there you go. Louder. Masturbation?
You know, I tell you what, it doesn't get any better than this. This here is God's country. Unspoiled and
I think I found the remote.
What the hell's going on? I swear.
That was boring. Yeah. Just the same thing over and over again. Wait a minute. We can't leave Washington till we find that chick.
Oh, we're a long way from Washington, Bob. This is the Hoover Dam.
Damn. Oh, damn.